Pathologist Steve Gentleman is dissecting the brain of an elderly man who had been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, looking for different stages of the disease.
Parkinson's disease pathology, which often starts off as a motor problem, the longer you live, the more likely you are to get more cognitive problems, more decision-making, etc. So we have 6 areas of the brain that we know there'll be a fairly stereotypical spread of pathology over time.
Parkinson's affects nerve cells deep in the brain that produce a neurotransmitter called dopamine, which relays messages that plan and control body movement. Despite huge strides in diagnosing and understanding the degenerative condition, doctors struggle to treat the symptoms. If the disease can be caught before too many neurons have died, medication and physical therapy could help control its progression. But catching Parkinson's early is the problem.
It's unfortunately, you only see the symptoms when you've lost about 80% of them. So quite a lot of damage within the brain has happened by the time you're seeing the symptoms. But the symptoms of Parkinson's are not all just about motor control. There are the non-motor features, there's a high incidence of depression, there's declining cognitive function as well. So it is a very complex disease that affects quite a lot of different neuronal pathways.
As he works, Gentleman notices the lining of black cells on the midbrain is not continuous, the first sign of Parkinson's. Examining the brain further, he finds indications that the man had Parkinson's for 3 years. The brain samples will be placed on wax slides for closer examination through a microscope.
We don't have any drugs that stop the disease process. We are symptomatically treating. We're treating what we see. But if and when, and hopefully with the research that goes on, we'll be able to find a drug that will stop progression.
But to do that, scientists still need to find a way to identify Parkinson's patients before they start to show symptoms of the disease. Deborah, VOA News, Washington.